Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your transaction history on Upwork. So if you're working with customers or whatever, right, and you want to have a look at your transaction history, this is very easy to find. So all you have to do really is look to the upper left hand side under reports. You'll find the transaction history. You can click in that and you'll be able to see all your transaction history under here. No, I don't have any history at the moment, right? But if I do, you'll see my payments. You can also find the charges as well. And you also have these filters here. So you can click here and you can, basically change the range that you want to check this, right? And you can change the transaction type, right? So you can uncheck this and you can just basically have a search. And you also have the payment method. You can just uncheck this and you can have a search for whatever you want. So, that could be whatever. It could be, PayPal or whatever it is, depending on what you have there, you can easily go ahead and search. Right. So that's pretty much it, guys. You have it. And this is how you can check your transaction history on Upwork.